Rebel AI formula review. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about this product called Rebel AI or the formula. We are on the sales page right now. You will find the link of the sales page below my YouTube video. So if you go below my video, it will be saying grab this copy, Rebel AI formula copy here. Click on that link, then come to the sales page, okay? Now, watch this video till the end because I am a trader myself, okay? So if if I'm going to show you here, right here you can see my charts, okay? So I'm not some random YouTube person doing this review for selling this to you. No, I am doing this because I myself is a trader, okay? So it's gonna be fun. Watch the video till the end, okay? So coming back on the sales page here, it says the AI stock method that replacing online this and that, and this is a membership program. I guess you have to maybe get into their 3 days workshop and they will teach you something, I guess, and if you get convinced then you pay them more. That's typically what it is, okay? Now, being myself, I'm a trader, as I said. They're talking about stock trading using AI or using AI signals, I believe. And then you can take your positions. You can buy or sell stocks depending on the suggestions of the AI, and then you can just wait out and make some profits, okay? Stock trading is the most easiest trading, or of all, if I have to choose. But hang on. Stock trading is the easiest of all, but you need to have a lot of capital for that, okay? So do not try to do stock trading if you can't invest thousands and thousands of dollars. Don't even think about it if you don't have 10,000, 20,000. Okay? It's not like you could, and those people who are thinking that I will turn 100 into 500, 500 into 1,000, trading is not for you, my friend, okay? Trading is not for those people who are fantasizing about turning 100 into 1,000, 1,000 into 5,000, 10,000. Don't do that. Don't fool yourself, okay? Yes, you will see some examples on the internet here and there that I turned 1,000, I turned 100 into 1,000. Yes, those examples will be found there, but that's gambling by luck, and they do this after blowing up accounts many times, okay? So for example, let's say I come back to you and show you that this is how I turned 100 into 1,000, but you will not know how many times did I blow up those $100, right? So don't fool yourself. You're not fooling anybody else. You're just scamming yourself only when you say, I'm going to turn 100 into 1,000. That doesn't happen. It happens after you blow up many times, okay? So when you become an expert, everything is possible. But from the very beginning, don't fall for the crap that, try from 100, try from 500. No. If you are talking about trading, this word trading means you got to have the money, okay? If you're broke, don't even watch the video. If you have the money, then you need to learn a skill. Otherwise, you can get a robot. Okay. So why am I making this review? Because I told you I'm a trader myself. And if you go back to my channel, actually, okay, 3-4 years ago, I was doing these YouTube reviews, as you can see here. Okay. So 1,602 videos I did in the past. This might be increasing now. So I used to do these reviews, and then at that time I did not have any such machine or system which can print money on automation. Okay, so what I did, I stopped doing these reviews. Then I changed my field, and I learned forex trading myself. You see here, since last 3 years, all these videos are about forex trading. So what you're gonna do is go below my video, click on my channel, and once you come to my channel, then go to playlist. Go to playlist here, and you will see all these videos. This is my journey on my channel. I started with these videos. This review which I'm doing, I used to do these reviews until 3 years ago. Then I changed my field, and I learned everything, as you can see right in front of you, all about forex, and I mastered forex trading. And eventually, in the end, I came up with a software which I coded. I have coded my brain into the form of a software, and that software does the trading, and these are the results. Okay, so what you can do is you can click below the video and check out the first thing. It says swing trading on automation. Once you click there, enter your email, then come back here, play this video, watch this video till the end. This is a 1 hour video. Watch this video. This is a 5 years proof results that how my software has made money. Okay, so coming back to this Rebel AI formula. Now they're talking about doing stock trading. As I said in the beginning, stock trading is the easiest trading, but but you got to be rich for that already. Okay, so for stock trading, I would say you're supposed to have maybe $100,000, $50,000 already in your bank account. Okay, don't fool yourself, man. I will turn 500 into 5,000. Just don't do that with me. Okay, so if you want some like some mentorship, this and that, you can try this in $29, I guess. Okay, so I think this will give you some access to some membership. Again, here you come back, list price 2.779. I don't know what that is. Join 3 days sprint now, so it shows 29. Yeah, you see, in $29 you get into their 3 days workshop, whatever it is. It's just a trick to get you into this membership. Okay, like, as in, I'm not saying they are doing something bad. Don't get me wrong, okay? I'm not saying they are cheating or scamming or whatever. No, but the only thing I'm focusing or telling you right now is they're talking about stocks, and stock trading is not for everybody. Okay, in stock trading, you got, for example, let me tell you, if you are right in the direction. For example, if I come here, this is the chart. Okay, if I say buy here and exit here, in stock trading, you might only make, let's say, $1,000 profit with this. If you enter here and exit here, in stock trading, you might only make $1,000. But in forex trading, if you were right about this, then your profits will be $10,000. That is what I'm saying. Okay. So in forex trading, you lose more money if you are wrong. But if you're right, you make more money. Okay. In stock trading, what happens? You invest the more capital, but that gives you at least peace of mind that your account will not be zero, because stock means it will go down but it will not become zero. For example, if you buy Apple stocks, it might go, it might go into negative, but it will never be zero. Okay, but again, it's not for everybody. Stock trading is not for everybody. Anybody's telling you something different, they're fooling you. Stock trading is only for rich people, as in who already got millions or $100,000 sitting into their bank account doing nothing. Okay, if you do not have enough flexibility with the funds, don't get into any kind of trading. Okay, so for example, what I have, just like below the video, it's flashing 27% growth per year. So with my system, if you go below again and click here and then come back, so with my system, you will be making, let's say, 27% growth on your money in 1 year. Okay, that's average, right? Now, what does it mean? It means that nobody is doubling your money. If you have $10,000, it will not become 20,000 in 1 month or 2 months. No, 27% means it could become 12,700 in 1 year. Okay, if you have $10,000 sitting in your bank account doing nothing, you take out the money and you put my robot working on your system. Okay, then your 10,000 could become 27% is how much? $2,700, right? So in 12 months you could have a profit of $2,700 by doing nothing. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, and this is being done on autopilot. Okay, once we set this up, you can see these trades and everything. As I said, go below and click on the link and then come to this page and then check these things. And this thing, once we set up everything, you have to touch nothing. Leave it for working months, 1 month, 2 month, 5 months. Keep checking it in between, just to see the results. Okay, but we are also giving you 6 months money back guarantee, because we are so confident. We have tested it 5 years and everything. Okay, so if you don't make profits in next 6 months, full money back guarantee. I just let the system run. Okay, set this, forget it, keep checking every now and then, let the system work. I have done this. This is my years of hard work. Otherwise, I would not come back and do this. Okay, for example, again, here you see, I did these reviews 3-4 years ago. I left it and then I went into trading. I mastered it. Then I got into automation. I created the automated robot, which you see now. This is my robot. So when you see these trades, it's actually my human brain which I have transferred into the robot, and that's robot is working. So technically, it's just me working on your chart, just in the form of a robot. Okay. Anyway, so this is what it is. Rebel AI formula, $29. If you want to get into it. It's up to you. But don't fool yourself by saying that, oh, you could turn 100 into 1,500. No, these people are saying, yes, you can start with 500. I don't agree with that. With any kind of trading, you got to have the money. Don't fool. Again, I have to repeat myself. Okay, it's only for people who have the money. I use a triple M formula. Triple M means money makes money. That is what called trading. Trading doesn't mean broke into rich. We are not talking about male versus female. It's not opposite genders here. Opposite gender means rich, poor. So if you're poor, you will not become rich by trading. Trading is only for rich people already. Okay, so again, my system or this system, whatever system you talk about, anything which involves trading, if you do not have money, it's not worth. Okay, it's only for people whose money is being wasted in the bank account. So let's say you have $20,000 and your bank is giving you what? Nothing. Maybe your bank gives you 4 or 5% interest. The country I live in, I hardly get like 5.5% interest from my banks. So if I keep my money into my savings account, they'll give me 5.5% interest on my money in 1 year. Okay, but the system which I am giving you, my own system created by me, I'm not selling somebody else's system. I know what is inside the software because I have coded, programmed it. Do you understand? So come and watch this video first, because if you don't watch this video for 1 hour, you will understand nothing. Okay, so click the first link below, watch the video, and then only if you have any questions, you can book one-to-one consultation with me as well. If you are interested into the system, you can book consultation if you have any questions, or you can drop me an email. But anyways, I guess you will find all the details, right? And if you go to this consultation page, you can check my email addresses as well and everything. So I guess that's it. So if you want to make money on autopilot in trading, okay, if you want to make money on autopilot in trading by doing nothing after you set and forget, then check out the first link below. That's the only reason I'm doing this review now. Otherwise, I left these reviews long time ago. I'm only doing these reviews because I have finally created a system which actually prints money by doing nothing. Thank you for watching. Click the first link below, subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take